What's up, guys? It's your boy Rob, and today we are in Boston, Massachusetts. Um, it is raining. It is look cloudy. I'll put some videos there so you can see that as well. But Boston is a beautiful old historic place that I've always wanted to be up here. I'm gonna go look at MIT. I'm gonna go look at Harvard. I want to look at those institutions. We're gonna get some clam chowder, some seafood, so a bunch of stuff we're gonna do today. But yeah, just look at this place, man. It's really beautiful out here. If the weather was better, then we'll be really locked in. But we're gonna find somewhere to. We're gonna go to the Faneuil Hall Market, see what they got at the market. I'll post a picture of that. I know I butchered that, but we'll see y'all soon. Back. We are at the campus of Harvard. I went to MIT earlier. Didn't get a chance to really take any pictures or photos or videos, but we got to take a little bit of photos. But this campus is amazing, man. Just walking around, enjoy it, and kind of embracing the what they have here. And I'm gonna post some pictures so you guys can kind of see what we have here. And it's really amazing. A lot of historic buildings, a lot of historic people went here. So that's my reasoning about coming here. And we will see what they have in sight. I'm kind of looking for a Harvard sign. So I take a picture and